You are waiting for someone email reply, so you don't need to wait for email reply. Just do a live chat with other person and solve your issue. Gmail introduce a new way to do a live chat with other persons. So if you want to use this option for your Gmail account, then watch this tutorial how to enable this setting for your Gmail account. Now click on this setting icon and click on see all setting and go to chat and meet section. Now here you can see our chat section, Google Chat early access. So this option is not available for all persons, so you need to enable this. Now click here and classic hangout off if you want to off this. Now click on Google Chat early access, click here. Now here you can see try Google Chat in Gmail early access. Enable Google Chat lets you try out the new experience and features. You might experience bugs and other issues. You can switch back to your old chat setting at any time. Now click on save changes. So this is a beta version. Maybe you see some bugs in your Gmail account. So if you facing some issue, then go to previous version. So we are successfully enable chat section. Here you can see chat section, room section, and join a meeting. So more way to connect and get things done. Get started. Now click on get started. So chat with a friend, so more way with reaction and say it faster with smart reply. Chat with other persons, do more as a group, talk face to face. You can do live chat through Gmail account. You don't need a third party website or application to do live chat. You can do anything through Gmail account, live chat, room, meetings. So if you want to start new conversation, click on start new conversation. So sorry, no result found, so I just start a new conversation and type your email account, someone email account. Now found email and click on their email and send them a message. They will notify from Gmail, then they will accept your request and you can chat with them, live chat with them. So let's go to our second browser. Here you can see we receive a request from Loud Update, so let's accept this. So here you can see this is active, so Loud Update is active, so we receive a message request. If you accept this invite, Loud Update can add you to other conversation and see your full profile. We accept Loud Updates, so let's chat how I help you. So let's see how we, so here you can see instantly we receive live chat. Let's just testing. So let's see. So here you can see in few seconds we receive live chat. In few seconds we are waiting for someone email reply. That's too much long, so you don't need to wait for someone reply. You can do live chat with someone, but you need to enable this option for your Gmail account and use this feature. This feature is available in a few months because this is a beta version. This feature is not available for all person, but this feature will available in few months. So if you want to use the feature in advance, then you need to go to setting and enable this chat early access feature for your Gmail account and take benefit from this feature. You can create rooms, meetings, and you can do personally chat with someone. So here you can see active, away, off. So you are doing email to someone and waiting for someone reply, but you don't need to do don't need a wait. So just do live chat with other persons. So let's send another message we receive. So here you can see on our other account we receive instant reply. Me too. Let's see. In just few seconds we receive a reply. So you can also get a ringtone, not a sound. If someone send you a message, if you want to start a group conversation, message request. So I am active section. So you do not disturb set as away chat notification settings. Allow chat notification, open chat pop up for live chat, play notification sound. If you want off, play notification sound. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Goodbye. I will meet you with another tutorial.